Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you happen to be in the world, and welcome back to Ben in 10. I have a brutal arms workout for you today. It's really tough, so please make sure you warm up because you're going to need to. And please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already because it's my birthday next week and it'll be a great present for me. It's 15 press-ups, 20 burpees, and 15 of the up-down plank. 3 sets, 30 seconds rest in between. So, you have an option with the burpees. You can either do a normal burpee or you can do the press-up burpee, which is what I'm going to be doing. So you're going to press up into the ground and then jump up into your burpee. That is enough talking. Let's get started. Okay, 15 press-ups. Let's hit it. Keep them slow and controlled. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and roll back into child's pose briefly, then into your press up, into your burpee, like so, jumping at the top, coming back down into your press up, into the burpee. We're doing 20 of these. Take them at your own pace. So we've done 5. Just do as many as you can in the time. And we're coming up to 10 now. I like to think of these as a set of 10 and then 2 5s. Just help break it up psychologically. So we're coming up to 15. We're our first set of 5. One more set of 5 to go. Two more. Let's backpedal onto our mat. We're going into the up-down plank. First of all, hold the plank, 15 of these, alternating each side. Five. Ten. Now, great work. I can't see you. I imagine you're doing well. This is a test. This is a challenge. One more. And rest. I'm going to start the 30-second stopwatch. Oh. Have a drink. Grab a drink. 30 seconds starting now. To rest. You've got 20 seconds left. This is brutal. I said it at the start. Grab a drink. Okay, 10 seconds before we go. And we're coming back into it straight away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. First 10, 5 more. And now rolling it back into child's pose. Let's go. What are you reaching for up here? Have a target. 4, 5. What treat have we got in store after this? 9, 10. Come on, we're halfway through the whole workout now. Set of 5 now. Keep pushing, come on. 3, 4, 5. Last set of 5 in these burpees. Let's go. Gets the heart rate going. And one more. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Whew. You know what's coming next. Think of these as 3 sets of 5. Keep pushing, keep going. Keep breathing. 10. Let's have 5 more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Smashed it. Smashed it. And let's start the clock. 30 seconds. Rest, rest, rest. Oh, I'm exhausted. Oh God. Okay, 15 more seconds rest. One more set. One more set and you're done for the day. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 5. 10. 'Rolling it back into child's pose and into your burpees. Last set, come on. Oh, I'm backpedaling off this mat now. Let's have 6. 7. Gonna have to readjust. I'm getting out of the camera shot. 9. Let's go. 10. 5 more. I'm sweating here. And last 5. Let's go. Last one. Yes. One more thing to do still. That up down plank. Let's get going. Come on, let's keep going. You have got this. Get back up off the ground. 9, 10, 5 more. 5 more, that's it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo. Awesome, awesome, awesome effort. Take a rest. Take a rest. Have a drink. Get your breath back. I'm exhausted. Roll up through the spine. Keep resting while I explain the next release. This is the release, this is the cool down if you like. So you're going to put your right hand on your left shoulder and squeeze it and drop. Squeeze and release. And this is so important. You're going to release any tension you've got. You're going to put that right hand on the shoulder. You're going to pull that shoulder towards you as the arm goes away. Essentially what you're doing is pulling that muscle off the bone, and as the arm comes towards, you're pushing the muscle away. I promise you this will become clearer as I go through this routine. As the arm comes towards, you're pushing away. As the arm comes back, yeah, you're pulling towards. You can do that on the bicep. Again, the arm goes away, you pull the muscle towards, off the bone, but not literally. The arm comes towards, you pull the muscle away. As you can see, arm towards, muscle away, arm back, muscle towards. Let's try the tricep now. And now you should get the hang of it. I'll explain it again on the other arm, I don't want to be blabbering on. That was an intense workout. Ooh. If you want to get sweaty, if you want to get arm strength as well as cardio, do that one. Put your forefinger and your thumb between the forearm and elbow joint and slide it down. And then put your 3 fingers here, sliding it down the forearm, letting it hang from the shoulder socket. And I promise you, you're never going to need someone to massage you again, because this self-massage is brilliant. Just massage your hand gently and move on. You've got more freedom of movement in this arm now than you have in this one. It still feels heavy from the work we've done. So we're going to squeeze and release and try and get this one real loose, because I do not want this heavy disrupting me today. Again, on that shoulder, as that arm goes away, the muscle comes towards. The arm goes towards, the muscle goes away. Arm goes away, the muscle goes towards. The arm goes towards, the muscle goes away. You can make a song if you want. And then onto the bicep. You're doing the same deal. Arm away, muscle towards. Arm towards, muscle away. And that is the catchphrase for today. Okay, I'm going to stop rhyming now. And then onto the tricep. Oh, this is fantastic. Keep going with this. The song of the day today is If You're Too Shy, Let Me Know. By the 1975, they've just released their new album, so I've been enjoying that. Notes on a Conditional Form. So if you are into the 1975, check them out. I saw them at Glastonbury live and it was just wonderful. I've got very vivid memories of that day. Anyway, sliding it down and then through the forearm, letting it drop from the socket. And now you've got freedom of movement in both arms, and we can do it all again. No, we're not going to do it all again. I can't do it all again. But that was the brutal arms workout. You're set up for the day now. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you very soon, and have a lovely week. Thank you.